I was the CEO of Spotlight Multimedia, and it meant absolutely nothing. During our year one, the title CEO didn't mean vision or strategy. It only meant ako yung tagasalo ng lahat. It means I am accountable for every mistakes, every delays, or failure. I did everything. Decks, sales, logistics, revisions, operations, all of it. And come to think of it, titles don't build companies. Execution does. Your title only matters when you've earned the competence behind it. Let me repeat that. Your title only matters when you've earned the competence behind it. But until then, forget the titles. Just focus on showing up.